Hi, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back and thank you for tuning in today. Today I wanted to do a super fun spring inspired makeup look. I want to do something, honestly I don't really know what I want to do. I just want to do something super bold, super fun, something that I never really did before, and I just want to have fun. I'm really inspired to play with makeup, but in a more editorial, less refined way. So we're just gonna play with some new products that I got in. Actually, I only have a couple of new products, but some of this stuff is new-ish that I just haven't shown on camera. So yeah, let's dive into the video. All right, so we just pushed the wig back. She's cute. She's like an ash blonde bob, and I'm here for her. Actually, I've had this wig for almost 2 years, or about 2 years. I just never wore it on camera. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. But yeah, let me sip a little bit of my smoothie. See how my smoothie is bright and spring, you know? Tastes so good. First, I'm gonna prime my skin. I'm just gonna use the Tatcha Silk Base Primer. I really need to get a skincare routine up for you guys. There's so many good skincare products that I've been loving lately. Oh my God, I cannot wait to share it with you guys because I feel like my skin is just looking a lot better, more refreshed and more even. I know a lot of it has to do with the products I'm using, and then a lot of it has to do with just changing like my eating habits. I'm not eating as much bad things as I was before. I was serious about changing the way I eat and less consuming less, you know, harmful, bad, non-nutritious foods. And it does play a huge effect on like the way your skin looks. Not just looks, girl, but like how it feels, like texture, the brightness, the clarity of your skin. Ooh, I look ashy. I'm gonna lightly color correct and maybe just under my eye a little bit with the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 410. I don't feel like I really need to do anything else anywhere else, so I'm not. Just gonna put this down. I'm gonna take just like a flat foundation brush and just kind of stipple that in. Let me grab my mirror so I can see when I'm filming. Yeah, so like I said, guys, I'm so excited for spring. OMG, I feel like I say that every year, but like seasons, like the change in seasons is just so refreshing and so needed. And honestly, like I live in California, so like, you know, our weather is pretty warm, but lately, guys, we've been getting real winter. I'm just saying, it has rained more in the past couple of months since January than it has in the past 2 years. Insane. Better. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm going to be using this one by Too Faced. This is like my favorite foundation right now. It's been my favorite for the past 6-7 months. I'm not sure. For a moment. This is the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation by Too Faced. And I am in the shade Chestnut. And I'm gonna take this flat brush. This one is by IT Cosmetics. I've had this brush for a while, and just recently I've been using her, and I really like her for stippling foundation. Okay, so I just realized that I want to do a super bold pink eye look, but I just did my base. And this is a new palette that I've never used before, and I don't know if it's gonna like leave fallout. We're gonna hope for the best. So I'm gonna go into this e.l.f. eyeshadow base in the shade Sheer, and I'm just gonna put this on my eyelid. I'm not gonna even do my brows right now. I'll wait to do my brows. I'm just doing all brand new stuff today, because usually I do my eyes after like my complete face is complete. Okay, so next I'm gonna go on to this e.l.f. metallic lip crayon. Yeah, lip crayon. But I'm thinking this might be a good base for the pink that I want to use. I've never used this before. It's like literally brand new. So let's just see how it looks on my eye. I hope I'm not playing myself. So the look I have in mind is super like editorial. It's not really like precise. It's just like super like graphic. I'm just gonna use my finger to kind of like pat that in. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this new palette by ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is actually my only ABH palette that I've ever owned and or used. This is the Riviera palette. It's super nautical themed, very spring. Let's open her up. Look at those shades. Those shades are so pretty. And so when I opened this palette, the first one that I was like, oh yeah, I need to use this pink one right here. You see her? Bahamas, and it's definitely giving me Bahamas. So this look is literally centered around this pink right here from the ABH palette. If you guys have tried this, let me know how you like it. I've never used, like I said, I've never used ABH palettes before, so I don't know what to expect. The only thing honestly that I am expecting is fallout, only because some of the reviews that I've seen in the past, people were complaining about fallout, so hopefully it doesn't happen for me, but if it does, I'm prepared. I'm prepared for it. Actually, before I go into that Riviera palette, I'm gonna go into this ColourPop first because I kind of want the shimmer in this ColourPop pink to kind of like shine through that shadow. So this one is Slave to Pink by ColourPop. This one is actually a more cooler pink, whereas I want something a little bit more vivid. So I think this underneath the more vivid pink will really make it stand out and pop. But this is a gorgeous pink, I must say. I love ColourPop shadows. Okay, so I lowered the exposure on my camera just because I feel like it was blowing out that pink. And now we should get a true representation of the color. I don't want it to just be on the lid. I want it like on the entire eye. Now we can go into that ABH palette, and I'm going to take that shade Bahamas, this pink one right here. I feel like if I press, I won't get as much fallout. Ooh, look how vivid that is. That is so pretty. Okay, ABH, for my first ABH palette, I will have to say I really do like this one. I just never felt compelled to buy any of the other palettes, but this one I would say if you love color, and it looks like there's 7 mattes and 7 shimmers, so it's a great like balance of the two textures. I would definitely say try this palette out if you're a girl who loves color, or if you just want to play in some really cool looking shimmers. I think it has a very good balance. I'm not getting too much fallout, which is a good thing. All right, y'all, so this is what we got going on so far. And so far, I love this pink. I think it's very like popping, very vivid. It's not dull. I'm a little nervous on because I've never done this before, but I want to use a graphic white liquid eyeliner. I have this one by NYX that I just picked up, and I want to do not a regular wing line, but I want like this halo wing. I don't know what that's called, but like a halo. And we're just gonna go for it. If we mess up, we mess up. And I just kind of want to like carve out the shape of my eye. So I'm gonna start off kind of subtle. All right, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. I don't know if I can do this on camera because I'm really trying to concentrate. Like I'm not even breathing while I'm doing this because I'm just so nervous. Let's go for the other one. All right, so this is the graphic liner. I'm gonna leave it alone for now because I feel like if I keep trying to go in, I'll be here forever, and B, I might make it look worse. I might mess it up even more trying to get it perfect. Because again, this is editorial. This is not Instagram baddie. I'm a makeup guru makeup tutorial. This is literally like just fun art makeup. So I'm gonna leave it alone for now, and then I'll go back later into it because I still gotta do these brows and stuff. But first, let's conceal. I'm going to use what concealer? I think I'll just go in with my Fenty concealer in the shade 370. All right, I'm gonna go in with Sacha's Buttercup powder, setting powder, and set my under eye. And then I'm gonna go in with Fenty's Hazelnut Setting Powder for the rest of my face. All right, so next we're gonna blush / highlight. Might as well do both at the same time with this Fenty KILLWATT highlighter and blush in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangreo's Sunset. It's like a highlighter / blush duo. So I'm gonna highlight with this orange because I want a very warm sunsetty, that's not even a word. So I'm gonna go in with Mimosa Sunrise and just put that on my cheeks. I'll probably even go on top with the highlighter, but see how that gives you like a subtle glow? Then I'm gonna go into Sangreo's Sunset, which is like a cooler pink, and kind of like sandwich that. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing with my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade Deep. I feel like this look is turning out. I can see the end result and I'm loving it. To maximize that highlight, I'm gonna go in with this little stick highlighter by Too Faced. This is Strawberry Sparkle highlighting stick. I'm just gonna rub my fingers in it and then like kind of put that in the spots where I want to highlight. I love Too Faced. Like they literally go all in, especially not just with like the shades and stuff, but it's just so innovative. Like the scents and everything, it just ties you in, it brings you in. Let me even put a little bit right here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my brows. I am so over like snatched brows. Like I just can't. I'm just here for clean. They look like they're related brows, but they don't have to be super snatched. I'm just not into that look anymore. Okay, so for that under eye, I'm gonna go back into that ABH palette, into that shade Mimosa, not Mimosa, Bahamas. Maybe I want a Mimosa. And just kind of like smoke out that under eye, extending that pink. I'm gonna go into my ColourPop shadow, that pink one, and just kind of like apply that to the bottom lash line. So I think I'm gonna go into this orange shade, that Fenty Duo highlighter blush, and go into Mimosa Sunset. Put that in the corner. That might look cute. Ooh, that's kind of cute. See what happens when you're just creative and like you really are just having fun. You just create some super cool looks that you normally wouldn't do. I'm gonna take this jumbo pencil by NYX. It's in white. That made my huge eyes look even bigger. I'm gonna move on to mascara, and because this look is so like graphic and like boom, I'm not gonna do any falsies. I'm just gonna use my regular lashes because they don't need to really stand out. We want this moment to stand out. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Lash Primer. I was gonna do a pink mascara, but I feel like that would kind of get lost in the sauce, so I'll just do a regular black mascara. It'd be fun if I had a white mascara. That would be fun. I'm gonna use the Better Than Sex mascara for my top lashes. For my bottom lashes, I'm gonna go into this pink mascara by ColourPop. All right, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Unlocked, which is this gorgeous pink, hot pink shade. Yes, guys, we're going there. We're going all the way there. This is like totally out of my element, but we're gonna go there. I feel like I want my lips to be a little bit more glossy, so I'm gonna go into this lip glass stuff. I believe it's kind of like a lip glass by Too Faced. It's this gorgeous hot pink shade. I'm gonna set my face with this NYX setting spray. Okay, so this is the completed look. Oh my God. Who is this girl? Who is she? Who is she? Where is she from? Is she from Earth? I actually really do love this look. This is so like fun. I feel like I need to do something like super fun today. This look is so fun. Like it's like, obviously I've never done a look like this before, but I just wanted to test my little editorial skills, you know, give it a shot. and see how I do. And I think with more practice and more playing around with just like fun, bogus looks like this, I think I might probably get good at it. I just think this is such a cute look, especially with this little ashy blonde bob and the cute little pearl clips. This is a look, okay? Get with it. I know this is not a look for everyone. It's not everyone's zhuzh. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but you know what? I'm drinking it up. That's all that matters. However, I just wanted to share this fun makeup look with you and maybe inspire you to have some more fun with your makeup. Step out of your element. Step out of your comfort zone. It's okay, girl. It's makeup. It doesn't bite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know one cool thing about yourself in the comment section. I want to get to know y'all too, okay? So let me know something about yourself in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, the bell right there, so you're notified every time I upload. And you don't have to leave, girl. I have more cool videos right over there, so just check them out. You see all of that? Go ahead and click on it. Watch the videos because you're gonna get your life. I'm just saying. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.